Good morning, folks. And with that last sip of coffee, I greet you welcome to a new reaction video of Comedy Luxembourg's finest metal podcast. Today we are doing Mental Cruelty. Yes, Mental Cruelty, the deathcore giants, at least to me, are back with a new track entitled Helheim, featuring Signs of the Storm. So basically deathcore featuring deathcore. I'm in for that. Just a small side story here. Mental Cruelty to me became very, maybe my favorite deathcore band out of the whole bunch since the record Zwielicht that dropped in 2023. It ended up in my top 10 and actually got a super response. These guys are freaking brutal, and yeah, I'm expecting a lot of breakdowns and insanity and freaking fast riffs, and I don't know where this is going, but because Helheim is basically a obviously Norse-inspired title, I don't know where they will head next. Is this going to be maybe on a future record? Who knows? For now, we only know that the song is out, and obviously Sign of the Swarm is not an unknown name out there, so I'm freaking excited to check it out. I'm very late, again, very sorry for that, but that's what we do here. We react lately, but fairly, and that's why we are doing Mental Cruelty today with Helheim. So, enjoy. Yeah, I was not wrong with the Norse and folk. Never mind. Okay. I was not expecting like a folk deathcore-ish thing, but ooh. Hell yeah. Very marching kind of song, so. Oh. Tasty licks. That's freaking epic. Oh. They have such a unique way with their genre, deathcore-ish thing. But it's, yeah. I'm still expecting some nasty breakdown stuff, and at least one. It's already totally different as a track as what I was expecting, but it's, yeah. That bass drop. no, it's over. It's over already. Oh. And we were just getting started. Wow. That was not what I expected. I mean, obviously, for those out there who heard the last record at Zwilish, they know that they embodied some acoustic elements in there and acoustic guitar stuff that really, really stood out and gave this whole record another atmosphere, another tone. This is very pagan. I will not say Viking, but then again, I mean, Helheim is part of the Norse mythology. But hey, I like this folk-ish approach to deathcore. I like it a lot, actually. I'm really looking forward. Who knows what these guys will do? Maybe a new record is on the way, who knows? I hope you enjoyed this reaction video. I highly suggest you check out Mental Cruelty. Signs of the Swarm as well. They've been around for also quite some time now. Yeah, and with that said, yeah, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe. And yeah, check out what else we have to offer here. So until then, cheers.